When you're tuning, I recommend using the fine tuners, because if your strings are more or less in tune, it's better to leave the pegs alone. I will talk about the pegs in the next video, but for now, the fine tuners will help. You can see on this app, it's too high. So as I look down, I'm turning the tuner anti-clockwise. Still too high. The D string. So turning anti-clockwise makes the string lower. G. And C. And allows you to make micro adjustments. If your tuners are a bit stuck, a tiny drop of sewing machine oil is a great way to loosen them up again. Let me know if you've tried this and make sure to follow along. I'm going to tell you about the pegs and how I use them tomorrow.